Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about the request status and the activities tab present within the People Allocation app of KEBS. Once the resource manager navigates to the People Allocation app, he or she can select any allocation request. The details view of the same is displayed. In order for a resource manager to view the timeline of all the status changes and allocation information that have been done, the user can view the same by clicking on the Request Status button. The resource manager can also view all the activities done within the request in a single page by clicking on the Activities Log tab. Event type can be selected to retrieve specific activities. Similarly, a project manager can also view the request status timeline and activity log within the project by navigating to the project and selecting the raised allocation request. A project manager can also cancel his or her allocation request raised by clicking on the pending allocation request and clicking the cancel request button. Thank you for watching.